I really think that the best thing that anybody who's thinking about going into drone or any kind of imaging is to get the training, but find the training from real people who are doing it in the industry. School and college are great, but a lot of times you get people in those fields that they may have been in the industry 20 or 30 years ago, or all they've ever learned is theory. They've never had any real application. Taking classes with Chris is great because it's not just theory, it's application, and it's tested, and it's been out in the field. That's where the real meat comes from, is that ability to listen to a professional in the field that is doing these things, that is putting out these amazing productions. Give me somebody who has really been out in the field and actually done it any day of the week, and that's what I prefer.